Okay, second video, hopefully you can see. Okay, so the main thing that I realised was that I had been getting you to do the side-to-side stuff for too long, and it meant that the corner and the turning steps were going into the piece of music that speeds up, and I don't want that to happen. So, line 1, going to the right, starting on 1, I'll move over, hope you can see me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's all they're going to do before they go to the corner. At the same time, line 2 are pretty much, they'll have ended up facing the front, but they will end up turning facing right on that first step. And I'm going to move as far over as I can. So it's 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 8 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. That's them all travelled to the left. Now, and then line 3, because I think we ended up only having 3 lines. I've got 4 written down here, but in the notes I've sent you, I think it's just 3, just in case we've not got that many people. They're travelling to the right, and they're doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Now I'm doing this on the spot, but it should go like this. And be moving, but because we've not got much space, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, I think. Maybe it's and 8, but you'll have it in your notes. Then they move to the corners. Turning step 1, tap, step, ball, chain, shuffle, spring, toe, and that will be, I don't know if else will fit in, tap, step, ball, chain, shuffle, spring, toe. Tap, step, ball, chain, shuffle, spring, toe. The maxi forwards, I'll not be able to turn this at the moment, but it's 1 and a 2 and, because it's actually grab offs, 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. And you're turning on each stamp. Now, bear in mind, some people are doing it on the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. Hoping you can still see this. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Then you have that kind of like crescendo to bring the feet together. And this is when we get into victory. And then later on, once we finish victory, there will be more going back to nightmare from, I think, 1:42-ish maybe. I can't remember if that's the right timing or not. I've got so many bits of paper. Right, so the victory, at the moment the 4-bar intro stands. We'll fill that in later. Then it's hop, shuffle, toe, spring. Pick up, dig, heel, heel, ball, ball, paddle, heel, toe. Counts are 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and a 8. So that ball beat takes longer. That's in groups, so you've got 4 groups to do that. So you should finish 2 and a 3, everybody does, and 4. Jump right over left, 5, 6 is your fletty, and 7 and 8. Then turning, you've got paddle, step, paddle, step, paddle. Oh wait a minute, no, 2 paddle, right, sorry. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Obviously I'm not trying to be on my toes at the moment. Then you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and a 8. Then you've got in canon, shuffle, hop down, shuffle, hop down, shuffle, hop down, shuffle, hop down, that takes you to 4. Heel, slap, clap, pick up ball, heel, stamp, pick up ball, heel, stamp. Shuffle, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, shuffle, step, shuffle, shuffle, step, shuffle. Sorry, shuffle, step, ball, change. Okay. Hang on. Is that right? Oh, no, it's right. I think it's right. Yeah, that's right. Oh, that brings you to face front again. Pick up, change toe, pick up, change toe, pick up, change toe, step, 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 stamp. Pick up, change toe, pick up, change toe, pick up, change toe. Then we've got the turning 12 beat riffs. Find my notes for that. Right, here we go. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. And 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8, I think it is. Yep, and then the 12s. Oh, sorry. Hoping you can see this. Okay, then we get into the new section, which goes twisting in the way, 1, 2, and although you feel like you should go to the corner, I want you to try and turn to the front, 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and shuffle, hop, dip, pick up, heel, clap, tap, spring, shuffle, pick up, change toe, tap, spring. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5, 6 and a 7 and 8. Then it goes facing the left side. Spring, shuffle, hop, shuffle, ball, change. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and I just move 7 and 8. So it's quite a big one to end to this corner. God, I think I'm going to pass out at the end of this. Right, look, you have a pause, heel stand, okay, 2, 3 and 4, 5, and then in 3 groups, and 6 and 7 and 8. Then it's facing the front, hop, shuffle, dig, heel, heel, ball, ball, clap, brush, spring, pick up, toe. So it's, I'll do it with heels. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, that's actually hops. And 5 and 6 and 7 and a 8. Then down low, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the brush, it's going across the way, so it's like a sideways brush, almost like a wee pendulum. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, so you end up with it behind. Clap, tuck, hop, so aiming to bring this heel up to your bum. Tap, step, ball, change. Step, ball, change. Hop and flick, step, ball, change. I think that's everything, and I'm really sorry if I've missed anything out. Okay, I'm going to go and collect now. Good luck.